Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really fun, mystical, colorful look from Karity's Unicorn Dreams Palette. I was so excited to do this because looking at these colors, I've been just wanting to for the longest time. I know I dug my nail in. To play with, you know, and I was asking you guys on Instagram to either like the picture or comment anything, and a lot of you guys really liked the picture, so I'm like, okay, definitely gonna try something. So if you guys don't know, my Instagram is gonna be down in the description box below, along with all the products and brushes I've used. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to start off, I accidentally already started my other eye, but I only did one shadow, but I'm gonna enhance it because I tried covering it up. But anyways, we all know we are gonna go in with the Morphe M504 brush, and I did remember it, so that's a plus. Anyways, I wanted to try to stick with my Karity palette, with just those, but it did not have a decent transition shade that I was looking for. So I ended up going in with the Karity Just Peachy Palette, and I'm gonna be going in with the Freshly Picked in Atlanta just to have a nice, subtle, but a tad bit darker of a brown transition to blend these other colors together. So that's all I'm using from that. Everything else is from the Unicorn palette. So for starters, I am just going to get the MAC Select Cover Up, and I'm just putting a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be using my Urban Decay's, you know, dual brush, but I'm using the flat side, and let me grab a mirror. So I am going to be cutting the crease, so I just want to put in the center first and then put the concealer all over the lid. And it's not going to be an exact cut crease, if that makes sense. I just want it to put the main colors in the crease, but you can see it blends into the other colors as well. So if you don't do it completely straight, you know, that is totally fine, because I'm not going for that look. Okay, so now for the first shade that we are going to go into is Mystical, which is that pretty glittery blue, and I'm just going to put that in the, I lied, I'm just gonna put this in the center because I wasn't trying to use this color first, but we'll put that in the center right now. The first shade I originally wanted to go in with is Pure. So it's a, I want to say it's like a brown kind of silver, well, not really silver, it's just more of like a brown taupe shiny shimmer shade. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner, and blend that into the blue that we did. And I'm just using just a little bit for the inner, because I don't want this to be the main focus. I just want it there to have something blend in with the blue. So yeah, and now we'll enhance that blue. And now I'm just gonna get my e.l.f. concealer brush and grab just a tiny amount of that concealer because I extended this outward. And I just want to bring it up just a bit higher than the blue. Like that. And now I am going to be going into Believer, and it's that one. And I'm just going to pack this on the outer corner and try to make a V out of it. Tap on just a bit. And I'm sorry if you guys can hear the sirens out there. And I'm just gonna bring it up above the blue just a little bit, not anything too far. But I just want to make sure it's kind of V'd out like that, so then we can blend this a little more after. And I do have fallout, but I'm not tapping off a lot of the excess. And I probably should, but it's easy to wipe away. It's not a big deal for that. So now that that is done, I am going to go in with my Sigma blending E25 brush. Just looks like this. And I'm going to be mixing Skye, Fairytale, and Noah. All those three together. So we're going to tap off a little bit. And I'm just going to blend this all over. I do not know what's happening out there, but I got a video to do. And then once you get a amount like that, I would hold off, and then I'm going to go back into that purple and just pack on more on the outer corner, because now we can make it go up into that V, how we do on that side. And again, it's a lot of going back and forth, but it's just to make sure everything's blended and we got the right color for the crease and everything on the outer corner. My nose keeps itching. So now going back into the shades, but picking up more of the purpley blue as of right now, and just lightly blend over. Right now I'm going to go back into Mystical, which is that blue, and definitely enhance and blend in with that purple. And then I'm going to go into Pure, which is that taupey color, and just bring it back in the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with my Sigma blending E36 brush, which is just a small blending brush. Oh, there you go. And I'm going to go back into Freshly Picked in Atlanta in that Just Peachy palette. And I just want to bring that little haze of the brown back. And yes, I'm going up to the brow bone because we're just going to put a highlight there. So now I'm going to just do the waterline and tight line, and I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Fox Blacks in Midnight. It's such a pretty blue. Let me first dust that away. See, I can tell you, wipes away so easily. So putting the blue in the waterline and tightlining it. And now I want to go in with my Morphe M432 brush, just the flat definer, and I'm going to go into Magical, and it's going to be that pretty pink right there. And I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus, and then I'm just going to put this up against the lash line and bring it down. And what I'm going to do is right where the purple ends, right there, I'm going to drag it out. So it should look like that. And then now I'm going back into that purple because we have a little of a line that we can end it completely to. And just pack it there, but lightly blend it back up into the crease. And so the fun part was for me was definitely using that blue liner because I've had it for a while. I just didn't know what I wanted to use it for exactly. But I mean, I have some looks for it, but I just never done it. But this, I just thought it would be really fun. But I was also able to use another liner that I've had for a while, and I just didn't know what to do with it. And again, it's from NYX, but it's the Vivid Brights, and it's a gunmetal liner, and it has, you know, the shimmer to it. But I just thought, what can I really use it for? And with this look, I just thought it was perfect. So get my mirror back open. I'm gonna bring it in close, sorry, so I can really see. But when I do it, I want to go right in between the pink and the purple. So that is going to be your line. I'm not really great with the brush kind for the eyeliner. I haven't used them in for so long. I'm so used to pens, so bear with me while I take a little time. So that is going to be it for the eyeshadow right now. I'm going to go in and curl and put on mascara. I'm going to go ahead and put the mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now to finish up the eyes, I'm just going to be going in with my Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to be going in, excuse how dirty it is, but I use this a lot. I'm going to go in with Marshmallow and Starburst, and I'm going to put that under the brow and inner corner. Like that. And for lips, I'm going to go in and align with the Wet n Wild's gel liner and Bear to Comment. Okay, my camera stopped recording, sorry. I just finished filling in with the lip liner, and for the lip I want to do is I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. matte lip color in Coral and go over top. Okay, so I'm going to set the face now. Okay, you guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and had as much fun as I did. I just kind of thought, being that this palette was Unicorn Dreams, I just felt, why not kind of go a little mystical, you know, and try something fun. And I haven't played with color like this in a very, very long time. So I just thought it was really fun to do, you know, just to play with that color again and, you know, just have fun with it. And I'm actually kind of liking this, you know, at first I was thinking as I was doing my eye that I started off, you know, I'm like, am I really gonna wear this look? But I don't know. It's kind of catchy. I'm really into it now. So yeah, I just had a lot of fun, and I'm totally wanting to do this a lot more often. So if you guys want to see more fun, crazy, interesting looks like this, just like this video and comment down below and let me know if there's any other palettes out there that you've seen that you guys just want to see what the colors can do. Just let me know and I would be glad to do that for you. So with all that being said, please like this video and also subscribe. And yeah, with all of that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.